Okay, this is part 10. Alam niyo mga ano itong upuan na to. Pwede kayong upo dyan, pero make sure na alam niyo kung ano yung upuan niyo. So, this is what they call a higibi. Yan. Meron isang part siya dyan dito or the one. I'm not so sure which one is man and woman. So, according sa nakasulat kasi, parang ano siya, whoever, kung yung couple, mula noon naman hanggang ngayon, meron lang dalawang status, diba? Class status ang tao na ginawa. So, that's being rich and being poor. So, kapag naupo yung couple, tapos both of them are, in different classes. Tapos, once they get to be sit in the middle, yeah, they will be part of the elite status. Grabe, di ba? Yan. If they would really want to be part of the elite status, sometimes they really have to get into here. Oh, ha? Parang sa panahon ngayon, talaga really are to work hard, which is ganun din naman, para maging part ka ng elite status. Yan. Tapos, you will be deemed part of the elite status of the community. Yan. I'm not so sure sino ba dito ang babae? Yeah, probably this looks like. And then yung isa naman is lalaki. Okay. Check natin sa ay, ano ba? Yan, okay na po mag-decide kayo kung tsura ng babae at lalaki dito.